Delicious Mexican coffee balls recipe. Easy and irresistible treat. Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a delightful treat for you, Mexican coffee balls. These little bites are bursting with rich coffee flavor, a touch of sweetness, and a hint of cinnamon. They're the perfect companion to your morning brew or an afternoon pick-me-up. So, let's get started. Ingredients. 1 cup of ground coffee beans. 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 cup of crushed graham crackers. 1/2 cup of finely chopped pecans. Chocolate sprinkles, optional, for coating. Instructions. Brew the coffee. Start by brewing a strong cup of coffee. Allow it to cool completely before using it in the recipe. Prepare the coffee paste. In a mixing bowl, combine the cooled coffee, sweetened condensed milk, powdered sugar, ground cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Add the dry ingredients. Gradually add in the crushed graham crackers and finely chopped pecans to the coffee mixture. Stir until it forms a thick, sticky dough. Shape the coffee balls. Take small portions of the dough and roll them into bite-sized balls. You can use your hands to shape them evenly. Optional chocolate coating. If you want an extra layer of flavor and sweetness, roll some of the coffee balls in chocolate sprinkles. This step is optional but highly recommended for a decadent twist. Chill and serve. Place the coffee balls on a tray or plate and refrigerate them for at least 30 minutes. Chilling helps them firm up. Enjoy. Once chilled, your Mexican coffee balls are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them alongside your favorite cup of coffee or tea, and savor the delightful blend of coffee and cinnamon flavors. These Mexican coffee balls are absolutely delicious. They're the perfect treat for coffee enthusiasts and a great homemade gift idea. Give them a try, and let us know how they turn out for you. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The Adult Alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.